Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to do questions based on plus 2's formula. Okay, so I am going to do B row with you in the class and your A row will be the homework. You will let me know the answers in the comments for the A row. Okay, now let's get into the questions. First of all, when we will be doing these questions, okay, we will be getting stuck in adding plus 2. We won't have enough weeks to add plus 2. What are we going to do there? We are going to apply its formula that is written here, which is plus 5 minus 3. 5 is our God, 3 is the friend of 2. So plus God minus friend, okay. First question, 2 added, again 2 added. Now I have to add a 2 again. This is the situation I was talking about. Do we have enough beads to add 2? No, right? So what are we going to do? We are going to apply the formula of 2. That is plus 5 minus 3. Plus 5 minus 3. See, 5 minus 3 also equals to 2 only. So 2 equals to 2. It's just that we are not able to add 2 directly. So we are adding it indirectly the other way. So 2 added, now again 2. My answer is 8. Okay, let's write our answer here. Next question. 1. Okay, added 1. Then 3. Added 3. Now I have to add a 2. See, again I am stuck to add 2. What I will do? Add God less friend. Add 5 less 3. Formula of 2. Okay. Then again 2. When I have beads to add 2, I will add it directly. Obviously, I'll apply its formula when I don't have enough beads. Okay. So my answer is what? 8 again. Okay. Okay. Listen properly because you are supposed to do this in homework by yourself. Okay. Next question. 3 added 3. Now 2. See, no beads to add 2, right? So formula of 2 plus 5 minus 3. Again 2, again 2. My answer is 9. Okay. Next question. 3 added 3. 1 added 1. Now I have to add a 2. Do I have enough beads to add 2? No. So formula of 2 plus 5 minus 3 plus 2. This plus 2 is the other plus 2. Okay. When we did plus 5 minus 3, the first plus 2 was done. This 2 is added for the other plus 2. Okay. Because when you have applied the formula of a number, you will not add that number again. Okay. Last question now. 1 added 1. 2 added 2. Again 2. Do I have beads for 2? No. Formula of 2 plus 5 minus 3. Then another 2. Answer is 7. Okay. I hope it was clear, guys. Do let me know the answers of homework in the comments. I'll see you in the next class now. Bye bye.